So welcome to today's video. I stayed at the ibis Geneva Centre Nations Hotel. Now this hotel is a short train ride from the airport, and then you can either walk to the hotel or take the number 8 bus. It's an ideal location because it's right in the centre of Geneva, so I'm going to give you a review of the hotel in today's video. So here is the hotel from the outside. And walking through into the lobby, I'll just show you that area now. The check-in time for the hotel is 3 p.m. The lobby area is quite spacious with lots of nice seating, and there's a bar area and a place where you can have some food. Here is the bar area. There's also a microwave there if you wanted to heat up your own food. And like an outdoor seating area. Just behind the bar area is some more seating, so this is where breakfast is usually served. Yeah, so quite a large lobby area, plenty of seating space if you want to just chill out, do some work. And here is the outdoor area. They also have an ATM machine on reception. And they also have an area to polish your shoes. So my room was room 427, which was on the 4th floor. So let's take a look at my room. So for a 3-star hotel, I think the room is quite decently sized. They have a wooden theme throughout the room. This is the closet space. And they seem to be made from good quality wood. It's not flimsy or like thin in any way. The window kind of opens vertically. I couldn't fully open the window, but I guess that's a security measure. Yeah, here is the room telephone. They also have an EU plug socket, so you may not need an adapter, depending on where you're from. There's some artwork which was on the bed, and I was initially unsure if this was just placed there, but after checking it was screwed into the wall because I was a bit worried it could fall down, but yeah, it's screwed in place. Yeah, and quite a large TV there, and the TV actually had a Netflix and YouTube access, which was quite good. I always prefer that to regular TV. And here is the AC system and the vents above there at the top. And a large mirror as well. Now let's have a look at the bathroom. So here is the bathroom. Again, quite decently sized. They provided soap there, plenty of towels, and there was also this hairdryer too, which I've never seen a hairdryer like this. And an area to plug your shaver in as well. Yeah, and a lovely walk-in shower which was quite spacious, and they had provided like shampoo and shower gel. Yeah, leave a comment in the comment section below what you think of this room. Let me know if you are planning to stay here and if you have any further questions. Now we're going to move on to breakfast at the hotel. So breakfast is served from 6:30 AM. I'll leave you to have a look at all the breakfast options which are available. This is a buffet breakfast. Okay, so this is pretty much everything to show you for this hotel. It is a 3-star hotel, so they don't have like saunas or gyms. For a quick stay, I think it's quite good. My stay here was roughly around £200 per night, which is decent for Geneva. Let me know what you think in the comments section below, and thank you for watching.